Look at that clean car. It looks so shiny from afar. I want to leave my mark all up on it. I know that I can't drive, but I act like I own it. I keep pooping and I can't quit. Had some seeds and that was it. Everything down there below is in danger. I'm about to drop a load and tell you it's raining. Birds of a feather, we should shit together on cars. They'll never catch us. We have the advantage of flight. Our target practice is everything in sight. With an eagle eye, we have you in mind. And I don't know why you washed your car. Now it's a canvas for my art. Don't bother asking us why. Because we own the sky. Because we own the sky.